What's up everybody, this is Mosh Barry, and in this video I'm going to share 3 simple steps that you can take and 3 simple C's that you can include in your rehashed story, and you can start getting traffic, leads and sales from 10 minutes from now. Well, at the beginning it will be 10 minutes, and if you keep practicing it will be 5 minutes work. You ready? Okay, so my name is Mosh Barry and I own a 7-figure digital product company. My company develops and markets digital products, and I do a lot of affiliate marketing. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money online, building and running online businesses, I know a thing or two. And when I shoot a video and I talk about stuff, I talk from my own very personal hands-on experience. Now, not only I run a business, but also I learn a lot. I read a lot, I watch a lot, and I listen a lot. So I was going through a course on masterclass from a famous author, Dan Brown. Dan Brown authored Da Vinci Code and Angels and Demons. So he knows his stuff. And the course was about storytelling. Why storytelling? Because we use storytelling everywhere, in our content, in our sales pages, in our blogs, in our videos, podcasts, everywhere. So storytelling is important. So when I was going through the course, I found it's kind of similar to what we do to run internet marketing business. And this is exactly the same thing we do in our affiliate marketing. And that's what I thought, let's share this simple idea with you so you can start getting results right here, right now. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel using the red subscribe button below this video, and make sure you switch on the notification button so YouTube sends you a notification every time I go live or upload a new video. Ready? Let's do it. So let's talk about rehashed content. Well, what Dan Brown was saying, all the stories are pretty much the same. They have a hero, a villain, and other characters, and a dramatic situation. And end of the story, there are goals that hero achieves, and on the way he goes through obstacles and all those things. And finally, hero wins, the villain loses, right? Look at the Bollywood movies. If you see, they're basically the same story everywhere. All the movies tell you the same story. Boys chasing girls, they dance a lot, they sing a lot. End of the story, they get married and live happily ever after. Look at the Hollywood action movies like 008, XXX, Matrix. All action movies are basically the same thing. Big heroes, big guns, big explosions, big stories, big drama, everything big. End of story, the hero reaches his destination and the villain dies. In Avengers Infinity War, the villain won, and that's why they had to make another episode, the end game, to kill the villain Thanos, right? So it's basically the same story told in different flavors, in different angles, with different twists. You're going to do the same thing. Tell the same story in different angles and different twists. Ready? Don't worry. It will be absolutely simple. So now let's talk about the 3 C's I was talking about. Number 1 is a contract. It's a promise with the audience that I'm about to deliver. So let's say I told you that I'm going to give you 3 simple steps to make money using the power of internet, right? So I have to fulfill that contract. In your story, you have to fulfill that. Second C is clock. There has to be a time pressure, that there are timers switched on and the time is ticking, the bomb will explode, the hero will have to perform certain tasks, otherwise the explosion kills all. The third C is crucible. Crucible means giving the hero only one path to fulfill his destiny, to reach his goal, and to perform his tasks. So you will see in Avengers Endgame, they fought a lot. There were big story and big explosions. But end of the movie, Iron Man had only one way to win the game and kill Thanos. He did it, he won, Thanos died. Now let's get some traffic, leads, and sales for you. Step number 1, look around. Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, Quora, people are asking for technical questions like, what is the best camera for photography? What is the best camera for videography? What is the best diet plan for losing weight? What is the best server for bloggers or for SaaS applications? What you should do is the second step. Come back to your computer, open 2 tabs in your internet browser, or Chrome browser, whichever you use. Tab number 1, open your blog dashboard, admin dashboard, and start a new blog post. Tab number 2, open Google and find all the awesome contents that are already available on the internet using Google, and open each of them. When you open, first copy the headline and 1 or 2 paragraphs. Paste them in your blog post and leave the link to the original article under that section saying, read the full article here. This way, you are giving full credit to the original owner of the content, and also you are actually helping your visitors to see the complete article and get informed. Do the same process for 10, 20, or 30 articles and get all the possible awesome information available on the internet and paste them all in your blog post. And then publish your blog post, take the blog post URL and reply to that question wherever you found it. Say, hey, I found an awesome article talking about the exact same thing, and go ahead, read and get helped. And you will find a lot of people visiting your blog post. And you will also find a lot of people sharing your blog post in their social media, timeline, etc. And this way, you will get more and more traffic. Now, the third step. In the third step, you're going to use the 3 C's that I talked about just a while back, that I actually learned from Dan Brown. Number 1, the first C is a contract. That is a promise. Promise your audience to give them something awesome if they sign up to your mailing list. So for that, use an opt-in page or opt-in form or opt-in pop-up on your content. Offer something awesome. For an example, let's say offer a coupon code that if you sign up to this list using the form below, then you will get 10%, 20%, or 30% discount coupon code. By the way, make sure you fulfill your promise. The second C would be a clock. That is a timer. Use a timer on that opt-in form or opt-in pop-up saying, hey, this offer is available for free only till the timer hits 0. So take action fast. The third C is crucible. Guide your audience and your subscribers to your affiliate offer. Let's say you have an affiliate link, or you are promoting a camera or a diet plan or a hosting company. You should say, hey, you now have all the information from my blog post. You know everything about that topic. But in my opinion, this is the best one. Why? Because number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. And that's why I believe you should take this. Besides, there is a discount coupon code if you purchase using my link here. This way, a lot of people will buy using your link. So basically, there are 3 steps and 3 C's involved in your start getting traffic, leads, and money in 10 minutes from now. So basically, there are only 3 steps involved and 3 C's involved for you to start getting traffic, generate leads, and make money using the power of internet from your home starting next 10 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video was helpful, please subscribe using the red subscribe button below this video, and make sure you switch on the notification button so you get a notification from YouTube every time I go live or upload a new video. That's it. Mosh Barry signing off. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.